Hi guys. So today we'll be playing the survival game. There's a new update. They finally added my continent. There's now Asia. Thank you. They put it Asia, and this is actually the first episode. So I'm so hyped. So the thing is, you said go to Dark Steel to find Asia. I don't need to do that. Asian, and if I have been working for a lot of days and months now, so I already got to the blue steel, dark steel. But where's dark steel? I don't know. Iron forge. Blah blah blah. Okay, let's continue. Let's chop down them trees. Oak tree. Yeah, not bad. Five. Pine tree. Damn, pine trees are better, bro. Never go oak. Oaks are beautiful in Minecraft. And these are called spruce in Minecraft, not pine. Where shall we go? Where do I don't like the snow, even though I love being in the snow. I just can't afford. How why can't we can't afford? We're making one. We're making them. There you go. Build this one. There you go. Now, what do we build? That's the inventory. It's F. Uh, Let's go make some. Oh, I don't have leather. That's bad. Because you need leather for most of these, so for cool. I don't really need anything here, Don't really need. So yeah, pressing F3. What the heck? I suck at this game. I suck at no. No. Why? Why? Wait. I'm actually an idiot. There we go. No, don't use it. Destroy. There we go. That's way better. Okay, let's go. Inside terrain. How is this inside rotate, rotate, Ah! They put tides in this game. I'm recording. So why can't I place this? They put tides. I don't like that. I don't like that. There, there we go. What the hell did I press? There we go. Ah, bro, I don't like this tide system. Game, I don't like this. Let's get on our boat. Where shall we go? Let's check our inventory. Here's the map. I know I have a map here somewhere. I always have a map. Here it is. Equip. Put it to number 1. There you go. Just use it. We're currently moving. Where should we go? I know there's a lot of horses, here. I love horses. Let's go. Wait, what's this big brown thing?
That's a that.
That's a
That's a shark.
gun!
Tayo mo, boy.
I don't have a weapon.
Ay, mga ors. Iba na.
Hey,
Oo.
hey, hey! Please do not kill me. I am recording. Okay, the shark cannot go here. Let's look for oh, a bird. I need horses. I need horses. I'm stuck. Move, move. Thank you. It's dark. Hopefully there's no monsters. I know there's no monsters. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me, please, please. I just want a horsey. I just want the horsey. Don't kill me, please. I just want a horse. Ah! No! 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 no, stop. I don't want to do anything with you. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hide. How dare you? What is that? I need to run. I need to run. What did I do to you? What did I do to you? He's shooting me. I'm screaming like a baby. Stop! Stop! No! Stop! Please! Please! I don't like this. I don't like this. Stay away from me. Don't hold your weapon. Just run. I'm doing great because I'm on my PC. I'm on my PC. I'm on a PC. I'm scared. Please do not kill me. Boat. A boat will save me. Run. No, I'm gonna die this episode. Come on. Bro, I already lost my horsey. Come on. You're not hitting me. Stay away. I don't want you. Bro, this episode is me running away from dudes. These guys are the ops, man. Bro, you gotta be serious. You gotta be serious. Gravity? Ooh. Great, I'm in the desert. I wanna go to Asia, man. I wanna go back home.
Oo, baril ka.
Where?
Ay, hawak mo.
This is a pickaxe.
Okay.
I have mind stone. Finally, I can do.
Dapat. Iron, hindi naman yung iron.
I don't have iron yet.
Hindi na.
I do have iron, but I lost it. Damn, I need leather. Just chop down some trees. You know, trees. You know what they talk about trees. You know, trees. Maybe trees. Give me this weapon. It's good. It's better than nothing, right? How much damage did he do? Wait a second. How much damage does he do? 300. Bruh, my axe is better than my freaking wooden paddle looking ugly thing. Let's just go. I see copper. Copper is useless in Minecraft, but it's very useful here. We can build stuff. I see people. Dangerous people. Sir, I come in peace. I come in peace. Oh, look, my gosh! They're building something! They're building a Japanese looking house! Oh, so happy. Whoa. Whoa. Castle stuff. Pretty bad. It's still the same. Come on, I thought you said there was Asian stuff. I want to go back home to Asia. Well, I'm still in Asia. I just want to find Asia. Why am I in Africa? Sir? Sir? Do you see me? I mean no harm. I mean no harm.
Yan, nakawan mo. Nakawan mo yan.
Hello? Hello?
Ayun mo.
Um, let me type.
May pickaxe ka baga. Ano mo? Naku.
Bakit?
Haluin mo.
No!
Haluin mo. Dapat PKR ka.
Oh no, I can't control my.
Boy, dapat mag-PK ka, dali.
What? What does that mean? Oh my gosh. I don't want to.
Player killer, ang ano.
I don't want to.
Patayin mo yung dalawa, dali.
Or.
Patayin mo.
What? Why have iron? I am a soldier now. I'm a soldier now. No, the house. Why would you break the house? Shut up. I'm recording. Alright, bro. I'm gonna go mine stuff here. Player has been cheating slash exploiting. Hopefully I don't get banned. Well, I did nothing wrong. Let's see. Iron, where are you? I'm looking for you, Iron. Where are you? I know you're in here somewhere. Iron. Oh, I'm scared. Iron. What? Okay, continue. Guys, follow me. Okay, okay, sir. Let's follow this dude. Okay, this way. Oh, where do we go? Okay, this way. Okay, this way. Where are we going? Huh? Oh, hold it there. I want the iron. Give me the iron. Iron, iron. Give me that iron. Oh, delicious iron. Oh, give me that iron. Give me that iron. Give me, give it. Yeah, I have iron. Oh, and even this one. I got all. Ah! I can't defeat them. Run! Bravely, bravely, bravely. Now, or should I help? He's dead. He's dead. No, no, no. Sorry, I can't help you. Ooh, gold. I mean copper. Come here, copper. You delicious. Look. Ooh, look at this. It's a lot of copper. Ooh, juicy copper. Give me that copper. Please, please, nobody come here. I'm just a friendly miner. Why is my role a soldier? I don't like fighting. Not really. Bravely, bravely, bravely running away. You might know that from another YouTuber. That guy is now the owner of IDK. Oh no, oh no, oh no. No, no, no. Thank you. There we go. I'm ah. Let's build some. Let's play football. World Cup. Am I taking damage? We're safe. We're safe. We're safe. Don't hit me. I'm just building. I'm just building. I don't have anything right now. He's a goal. I guess I'll be living here the rest of my life. Oh, no. Are they gone? Are they gone?
O gumawa ka na ng ano, baril. Ayun, ka na baga.
Oh,
Ano
ba yan?
kan gawa ang baril?
Iron
Oh,
and
ayun
wood.
na.
I don't have gunpowder. You need gunpowder.
Ayun na, ayun na.
Ito yung mahina. Okay, copper. Eh, I need 2 planks. Okay, I need 2 planks. And a lot of stone. Chiseled stone. Yes. Let's build. World Cup! I'll be staying here my entire life. I'm not leaving. I'm gonna be a miner. Wait, it's closed. Why do I make my inventory always? Make some iron stuff. I have already dig it here. Let's have just gonna turn it. I didn't need leather for this. Okay. I need more copper. Copper. Get a lot of copper. Do I already have a helmet? Let's see. Do I have a helmet? Helmet! Oh yeah, I do have a helmet. I thought I was gonna buy a new one. Equip! They sell here. And I got verified, guys. I can make videos more than 15 minutes. Right? Hopefully. Hopefully. If this video would be tragic. This video would be Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on? Am I attacking my own stuff? I need a handlebar. You gotta be kidding. Why do you keep pressing E? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Give it. You. Yes, I have a shield now, boys. I have a shield. Bro! I'm using my gamer mind and I keep on pressing E. Why E? Now when I need to go here, I press F. Well, F. Well, there we go. You guys like it? Woo! We have to go outside though. We need to be brave. But I'm not being brave. Anybody here? Anybody here to attack me? Nobody? 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 Is nobody? What are those guys? What are those? What are those? I don't like that. Make sure they don't see me. I see them. They're bright blue. I need to get more wood. I have to stick for here now. Right now, I can't go there. There's players there. I could go upstairs, but no. Back. Let's go back to the safety of my castle or mine. Do you think we can go in here? I'm safe. Oh yeah, I need letter. To go. Yes. Morning. It's morning. It's now. Dude, is this AOT? Oh no, there's people over there. Letter. You don't see me. Hell nah. Hell nah. I'm going back inside. I'm going back inside. Bravely, bravely, bravely running away. And now I can have some. Guys, help me, please. Please tell me how to get some thumbnails. Thumbnails. Did I get wood? What? What did I get? Wood. Okay, guys, I guess this is gonna be the end of the video.
Oh, so